Hello and welcome to today's video on how to prepare for a healthcare assistant interview question and answers 2023. First, let's talk about how to prepare for the interview. It is important to research the company and the role that you're applying for. This will demonstrate to the employer that you have a proper understanding of the role that you are applying for at this time. Next, practice your interviewing skills. This can be done with mock interview with friends and family, or even just in the mirror with yourself. This will help you be prepared for the interview and to be calm and eloquent during the interview. It is also important to have a clear understanding of your qualifications and how they align with the role that you're applying for. Be prepared to give specific examples on how your qualifications make you the best candidate for this role. Make sure to come prepared with any documentation to prove your qualifications. This could be copies of certificates or your CV. Even if it's in a Zoom interview, have that at hand on email. Additionally, dress professionally for the interview. This will give you that extra boost of confidence and will make sure that you come across as a candidate who is well prepared for this interview. If you're going to be having this interview on Zoom, make sure that you carve out a quiet place, a quiet environment, and a nice neutral background where the interview can be conducted. Do not have any disturbances during the interview. If you live with roommates or with family, make sure that you close the room and advise them that they do not disturb you until that interview is finished. During the interview, show enthusiasm and listen to the questions when the interviewer is asking you questions and answer the questions clearly. Showing enthusiasm will show that you are interested and you really want this role and will make you stand out, and it also shows that you want to work as part of a team. Finally, after the interview, be sure to send a thank you note. This will also make you stand out. This is a step that many people forget. By following these tips, you will show the interviewer your best side and you will stand out, giving you the best chance of landing that healthcare assistant role. Now, let's get into the interview questions themselves. Number 1, can you tell us about your previous experience working as a healthcare assistant? When answering this question, it is important to highlight any relevant experience you have, such as working in a hospital, care home, or community setting. You should also mention any specific tasks that you've been responsible for, such as personal care, administering medication, or assisting with clinical procedures. How do you handle difficult or challenging situations? This question is designed to assess your problem-solving and coping skills. When answering, give a specific example of a difficult situation you've encountered in your previous role and explain how you handled it. Emphasize your ability to remain calm and professional under pressure. Why do you want to work as a healthcare assistant? This question is designed to gauge your motivation and passion for the role. When answering, highlight your interest in working in the healthcare field and your desire to make a positive impact on patients' lives. How do you ensure patient confidentiality? This question is designed to access your understanding of patient privacy and data protection laws. When answering, mention any relevant training or experience you have in this area and explain how you ensure patient information is kept confidential at all times. Can you tell us a time when you worked as part of a team? This question is designed to access your ability to work well with others. When answering, give a specific example of a time when you had to work as part of a team and explain your role and responsibilities. Emphasize your ability to collaborate and communicate effectively with others. How do you stay updated on the latest healthcare developments? The question is designed to access your commitment to continuing professional development. When answering, mention any relevant courses of training you've completed and any healthcare-related publications or websites you follow to stay informed. How do you prioritize your workload? This question is designed to access your ability to manage your time and responsibilities effectively. When answering, give a specific example of how you prioritize your workload. Explain the methods you use to stay organized and ensure all tasks are completed on time. My personal favorite, how do you handle stress and pressure? This question is designed to assess your ability to cope with the demands of the role. When answering, give a specific example of a time when you were under pressure and explain how you handled it. Emphasize your ability to remain calm and focused under pressure. These are just a few of the many healthcare assistant interview questions you may be asked. Remember to be honest, clear, and confident when you answer these questions. Always emphasize your previous experience and your skills. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has helped you prepare for your healthcare assistant interview. Thank you so much, and goodbye.